Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to do the 40% method on Roblox. Now for this method you will need an alt account. You will also need this. I will also put a link in the description. Now go into Roblox Studio and click on Baseplate. Next go into Toolbox and click on Item Buyer GUI. You will receive this pop-up, click OK. Next you will need to drag Item Buyer into Starter GUI. Keep in mind for game passes and bundles you will only get 10% back. Now click on File and Publish to Roblox. You can name this anything you want, it doesn't really matter. And then click on Create. Now click on Game Settings, and then Security. This is important. Enable Studio access to API services, and allow third-party sales. Then save. Now publish it to Roblox again just in case. Now you will need to make the game public so you can join on your main account. Click on Create. Now find the game you just created. Click on the three dots. And click on Make Public. Now we can start buying items. Now I would recommend you buy a cheap item first because Roblox might patch this method in the future. Anyways, now I will show you how to buy an item. Choose an item you want to buy. Right-click and copy Asset ID. Now on your main account join the game we made before. Now that you've joined the game, click on one of the three. In this case it's an accessory, so click on Item ID and paste the ID. Click Enter and buy the item. Now let's check if I have it. Click on Accessories. Then Face. There we go. It works. Now let's check if I get the Robux back. Now click here. And click on Commissions. You can see here I get 6 Robux back. Anyways, I hope this video helps you. Be sure to like and subscribe, I would appreciate it, and it lets me know you like my content so I can make more. Anyways, bye.